Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to send disappearing photos straight from your gallery on Messenger using the latest 2025 update. This is perfect if you want to share a private moment that vanishes after being viewed, giving you more control over your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You can use this feature on both Android and iPhone, so just make sure your app is up to date. Once you're inside Messenger, find the chat where you want to send your disappearing photo. You can either start a new conversation or open an existing one. Next, look for the gallery icon at the bottom of the chat screen. It usually looks like a small image or photo symbol. Tap on it, and your phone's gallery will open up. Now, scroll through your photos and pick the one you want to send. Once you've chosen your photo, tap the Edit option. This will bring up a few editing tools, but what we're looking for is the timer icon, which looks like a small stopwatch or clock, sometimes labeled with the number 1. Tap the timer icon. When you do, you'll see the option to set the photo as View Once. This means the recipient will only be able to view your photo a single time before it disappears from the chat. It's a simple way to make sure your photo isn't saved or shared beyond that one view. Now all that's left is to send your photo. Just tap the Send button and your disappearing photo is on its way. The person you sent it to will see a special icon indicating it's a View Once image, and after they open it, it will vanish from the conversation. That's it. You've just sent a disappearing photo from your gallery on Messenger. This feature is great for sharing private pictures, quick jokes, or anything you only want seen once. Give it a try and enjoy a little extra privacy in your chats.